So hello students, today we'll be learning fundamental geometrical concepts, okay? Chapter number 19, okay? So turn to page number 229, we'll start a new geometry chapter. We can see here some new terms we are getting, though we have heard all these terms. I will be explaining it once again because the exact definitions you may have got different type of definitions last year, or maybe in the previous years in previous classes you might have got different kind of definitions, but we will be getting the exact definition this year. So what's a point? Okay, what's a point? Now we all know a point is used to locate the exact location, isn't it? To mark the exact location, we generally give what? We give a point, isn't it? Now, if you are given a globe, and if I ask you to mark a particular location, then what you will do? You will take a pen and you will be marking by giving a point. You will not draw a circle, you will be giving a point, isn't it? So point is generally used in order to mark the exact location. It does not have a length nor breadth. Okay, is it clear? The point is used just to mark the exact location. All right, now the next one is line. What does this line means? So line is basically about the straightness, okay? That a line does not have an endpoint. It does not have an endpoint. So now, basically, what does this line mean? Line is a straight path which does not have any starting point nor end point. Can you see in the figure I've shown? So a line is a straight path, okay, which does not have a starting nor end point. Now here you can see in the figure itself, we can see that in both the sides there is arrow which indicates that it will neither end this side nor it will be ending this side. It does not have any end point. Okay, all right. So now generally let me give a name to this line as AB. Okay, so in a sentence when you write the line AB, how you will write? For example, if you are given a sentence, a line AB is parallel to line CD. Okay, let me draw another line. Let this be CD. Okay, so let me name that line once again. This is CD. Okay, in a sentence, if it is given that a line AB is parallel to line CD, then what you will write? You will be writing AB parallel to CD. Not only this, what you will do? You will be using the symbol in this way, AB parallel to CD. Okay, so these are some basic concepts. We will not be getting all these things regarding symbols. So we should know, okay, whenever you write a line, okay, whenever you write a line name, what you have to do? You have to give a arrow, both sides arrow. Is it clear? All right. Now let's come to the next. Let's come to the next topic, okay? Have you heard about line segment last year? I hope you have heard. Now line segment, okay, line segment is what? Line segment, let us suppose we have a point, okay? We have a point, I have marked a point here, okay? I have marked a point here. I hope you all can see it in the board. And another point here. So let the point A be A and the other one be B. Okay? Now what we will do? When you join the first point with the second point, we get a line segment. So from here it is clear that a line segment has a starting point as well as one end point. Is it clear? It's very simple. A line segment has 2 points, okay, 2 endpoints. Okay, it has 2 endpoints, while a line does not have any endpoints. It will extend up to infinity in both the sides. Clear? All right. Now the next one. What do you mean by ray? Okay, all right. Have you heard about light rays? I hope you all have heard. Let me draw a figure, then you will understand better. Let us suppose a source of light. A source of light is starting from a particular point. Okay, let me draw a point here. Let me make the size big so that it's just visible for you all. Let us be the point. Okay. Now from this point, okay, from this point, if I draw a figure somewhat like this, then this is known as what? This is known as ray. This is known as ray. Is it clear? Okay. Now let me name this ray again. Let the name of the ray be AB again. Okay, let this be AB. So in a sentence, how to write this? How to write this in a sentence? You have to write in this way, AB. Since the ray is starting from A, you have to write in this way, A towards B. In case of line segment, what we have written? In case of line, let me draw one line once again. This is the line. Okay. So in case of a line, this was A and this is B. Let us suppose in this case, how we have written? We've written A, B, and we have written double-headed arrows. We have written double-headed arrows. So this is the difference. Okay. In case of line segment, how do we write? In case of line segment, we'll simply write. Simply give a bar. Okay, we'll simply give a bar, which indicates that AB is a line segment. In this case, AB will be indicating a line, and in this case, it will be indicating a ray. Okay, so it's very, very simple. No need to worry about. Okay, all right. Now the next one is a plane. So plane basically here from the definition itself, you'll understand it's a flat surface. It is a flat surface which extends indefinitely in all directions. Okay, so we have many flat surfaces. A floor is also a flat surface. So does a floor ends in a particular direction? No, it will be going towards east also, it will be going towards south also, it will be going towards north and west also. In all directions, it will be spreading. So we can say that a plane is a flat surface which extends in all the directions. Clear? All right, now let's come to the next topic. Space. What does this space means? So here it is given that the space is a set of all the points in the universe. Set of all the points in the universe. Okay, in the universe we have many points. Okay, in a page or in a board or in a paper we can draw many points. But if I ask you to draw in air somewhere, can we draw any point? No. For that we have to imagine. Let us imagine that we can put some points in the air. Okay, now if you collect all those points, okay, the collection of all those points will be giving you the space. Okay, all right. Now, what does this axiom means? Now, axiom is very interesting. Okay, the definition of axiom is very interesting. Why? Because you see, in our life we'll be getting many statements. Some may be true, which does not require any proof. Okay, so now in our daily life we'll be getting many statements. Now those statements may be true and it may not require any proof. For example, if I say that human being has a tail, is that statement true? No, obviously not. Human being does not have tail. Is there any human being with a tail? No. So that cannot be considered as an axiom. Okay, but if I say sun rises from the east, is it a true statement? Yes. So a particular statement, if it is true and if it does not require any proof, it is universal truth, that those type of statements are known as axiom. Many axioms are there in the branch of mathematics. Okay, so we'll be getting across in class 9 also, you'll be getting in class 10 also, you'll be getting. Okay, all right. So now this here we are getting the definition of axiom. Next year also you'll be getting. So it is good for you. We have got this year only. So axiom of what? Axioms are true statement which does not need any proof. Okay. Now what is theorem? We should know what is theorem. Okay. Now theorem is a statement of mathematical truth which require proof. It requires a proof. Okay, without proof, that statement will not be considered as a theorem. It needs a proof. Is it clear? All right. Now, so clearly it can be seen that there is one difference between axiom and what? Theorem. Axiom does not require any proof, but theorem is a mathematically true statement which requires proof. Is it clear? So it is very simple, all right? Okay.